In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can have clear skin. No BS, just the truth. By the end of this video, you're gonna have everything you need to get rid of acne for good. And the truth is, you can't and won't have clear skin just by eating clean or just by having an expensive skincare routine. The truth is that you have to attack it from all sides. It's really all about making sure that you hit the 7 steps that I'm about to lay out for you. First, having a clean diet. Having a clean diet will drastically increase your chances of being acne-free. Not consuming dairy products, not consuming a lot of sugar or nuts. These ingredients tend to bring on pimples the next day. It's so clear to me that when I eat chocolate, especially with nuts, I break out. It's almost guaranteed for me. So does that mean that I never eat chocolate? No, your boy still enjoys a good chocolate bar once in a while. But when I do that, I know the consequences. So then what I do is make sure to go above and beyond on the next steps that I'm about to tell you to prevent acne when I eat chocolate. The second step being drink more water. Whenever I eat chocolate and know that it's extremely likely that I'm gonna break out, I drink a ton of water before I go to sleep. It helps flush those toxins out, so it lowers the chances that I'm gonna wake up tomorrow with a massive zit on my forehead. This is a crucial step for your health, never mind your skin, right? Every video in which I talk about fitness, hair, health, skincare, I always include a bit about drinking water because most people forget. People think that coffee is water, soda is water, beer is water. Not even close, man. You need to drink H2O to get hydrated, so make sure that you're doing that. And your skin texture, the elasticity, and the health of your skin will all improve immediately. Step number 3, a skincare routine. I never skip my skincare routine. This is a non-negotiable for me. The good thing is that my skincare routine is also very easy. I literally use the same 3 products from Africa Skincare. The face wash in the morning when I wake up and at night before I go to bed. It removes all of that gunk, the dirt, and the acne-causing bacteria from the surface of your skin, which is a necessity. If you don't do that, that bacteria causes an infection. That is what a pimple is. So in here, you're gonna find ingredients that will cleanse your face of that acne-causing bacteria. I apply the moisturizer immediately after washing my face. This is lightweight, it's non-greasy, it has avocado oil, green tea, vitamin C, all of which work together to infuse moisture into your skin. And 3 times a week, I use this amazing product, one of my favorites. I've been exfoliating with the Apricus Scrub. Honestly, this is incredible. It cleans out my pores, it takes away all of that dead skin that sits on top of your face and reveals brand new, fresh, young skin, just glowy. It just looks really nice. It looks completely different from that dull, dead skin. And that's it. Super simple, 3 products. If you're complaining that you're getting pimples, that your skin doesn't look great, but you're not using the right products, or you're not using any products, then the truth is, you're not gonna get the proper results. It's your face. Treat it like gold. Only put products that you trust on your face. And we did an insane amount of research and testing with a lot of my viewers, actually, with you guys, before launching these. So it got your stamp of approval before anything else. Guys, check out apricusskincare.com. If you subscribe, you save 20% and you get all 3 products delivered to your doorstep every 2 months, so you don't have to worry about skincare again. You're gonna be all set for $1 a day. I'm gonna leave the information to Apricus Skincare in the description below. Moving on to the next step, you need to wear sunscreen even in the winter time. Most people, especially men, don't wear sunscreen, right? The sun is your biggest enemy when it comes to having nice skin. It burns, weakens, and damages your skin every time you go outdoors. Think about that for a second. Every time you go outside, your skin will look slightly older from sun damage. So I highly recommend that you apply sunscreen daily. We're working on one for Africa Skincare. I know you guys have asked for it, but it takes a while to get it cleared because of the SPF, and we wanna make sure that it's perfect. Once it's cleared, I'll let you guys know. By the way, on this channel, we talk about men's fashion, hair, grooming, health, dating. It's my job to help you live a better life. If that sounds good, hit that subscribe button below and join the YouTube family. And let's move on to step number 5, which is understand that what you see on TV or Instagram is not 100% true. Most men on TV are actually wearing makeup. And even out on the streets, grocery stores, a lot of men are actually wearing tinted moisturizers nowadays. This is actually something that I've been doing for years, something that I think every guy should do as well. Wearing a tinted moisturizer. It's just a great way to go through a bad skin day, which we all have, right? When we have a breakout, because it hides those imperfections without leaving a trace like makeup. You actually can't see that I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer because it blends in with my skin. And all it does is it blurs out any imperfection. Even if I'm not having a bad skin day, I still use the tinted moisturizer for going out, to even out my skin tone if I'm going out and I want to look my best. Because I too have sun damage on my skin. I too get dark circles sometimes. And this little tool, this tinted moisturizer, will hide that by evening things out. You just apply a thin layer of tinted moisturizer on your face and boom, that's it. So I'm also gonna link this one below so you guys can check it out. It's the Africa Skincare Tinted Moisturizer for Men. By the way, we'd love to know in the comments how many of you here have tried a tinted moisturizer before. And if you haven't tried, also let me know below. Let me start this next point by asking you this. When was the last time that you cleaned your everyday essentials? It's probably been a while, right? And I know you're probably asking, Alex, what does this have to do with your skin? Well, if your cell phone is dirty, guess where it's going when you're making a phone call? On your face. Or if you're Gen Z and you don't actually make phone calls, you still text or snap or whatever new app you're going on, right? So if you're touching your dirty phone, then you're touching your face, you're transferring all of that acne-causing bacteria that I mentioned early straight to your face. Get a sanitizing wipe. Wipe your phone, wipe your keys, your pen, anything that you use all the time, that you're grabbing all the time, because it goes into your pocket. Your pocket has all of that whatever is in there, gum, fluff, I don't even want to know, but then it transfers onto your essentials and it transfers onto your face. That's why it's so important to wash your face, but that's why it's also very important to make sure that your essentials are clean and sanitized. And number 7, and final step, if you still have breakouts and acne, you need to see a professional. Guys, over-the-counter stuff might work, but if it doesn't work, this is the prescription stuff that will clear your skin. It's a lot more powerful. So I would say it's more of a last resort option, but if you're hitting the 6 steps that I laid out for you and it's still not working out, you should definitely go to a dermatologist, because that person is going to be able to give you something that actually helps you immediately. It's going to be powerful, and don't be one of those guys, one of those men that are like, I don't need to see a doctor, I'm too cool for that. Bro, what are you doing? Go get help, go see a professional to make sure that you look your absolute best, because why not? We deserve to look our best. You definitely deserve to look your best. Hit that subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.